Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, ADA is drawn like a magnet to that 30.5 cent level that I've been talking about for weeks now. It is this potential, or not a potential, but it's this actual breakout point that was triggered here on the 13th of July. You can see that price broke here to the upside and since then has come down to confirm it as support. A few times, in my opinion, that is not a bullish signal. Some may believe it is bullish because we're confirming it as support. But as you can see here, overnight, we dropped below the ascending trend line. And if a price cannot really get away from a previous support level, it's actually not a bullish sign because we're dropping below the previous breakout point just now, yeah? I mean, we are still hovering around 30.5 cents, and I wouldn't say the fight is lost and the bears are winning here, not yet. But certainly, it's only a 3-wave move up that we've seen. I explained to you here, and this is the bullish wave count. What do I need to see to really confirm to you that a lasting low has been established? It's the 5-wave move. That's what most people are interested in. We want to see ADA and many other coins get back into a long-term uptrend. The problem is a lot of these altcoins are just not looking good at the moment. I have to say that in the videos again and again, because there are just too many people putting hopium out, okay? And I'm not saying ADA is bearish. I'm just saying that they are not looking very healthy at the moment. I don't have a very clear upside setup. And I'm not going to shill that you need to buy, because unless we have a confirmed low in place, it is very naive to believe that they will all go up and go to new all-time highs. I think they will. Also, I think ADA will, but it will take potentially a while, okay? It's just not the altcoin market. And if you want to do something with your money that is productive, it might not be it might not be wise to put it into a coin that is just sort of moving sideways, okay? Just saying. So I myself focus a lot on Bitcoin, Ethereum at the moment, and a few selected altcoins that show some more imminent setups. Here ADA, and I have avoided to move all these waves to the right-hand side. I'll do that later because price is just moving on. There's no point tracking here the micro counts. It's just not reliable. This could still be a wave 4, but it's a bit, it is hopium, which I don't really want to communicate too much, right? So because the thing is, until I really see, and now I am moving the waves, until I really see that highlighted in yellow here, that wave count in 5 waves to the upside, I cannot confirm to you that a lasting low has been struck. And I just need to remain focused on that process, because if I tell you I think this or that, then it is subjective, and I need to stay objective as an analyst. Yeah, I hope that's clear. But either way, I also don't think the low is in. Well, again, it could be, but I just don't have the evidence, and analysis is always, it has to be based on evidence, okay? What we see here is so far only a 3-wave move up and a strong sell-off later. I said to you before that below 30.5 cents, I think this is a lot of downside pressure on this chart. Between 30.5 and 38 cents, it is the waiting room, okay? It's basically indecision. Neutral, you could say, okay, range bound, and don't really have a clear view if it's bullish or bearish. It's sort of a quick move down, a quick move up, it got all rejected again. And a break above 38 cents would potentially be bullish. Yeah, lots of upside pressure could start to form here. It's sort of categorized here. And yeah, ADA spent a lot of time in the waiting room and certainly was kicked out again. So it seems to be going the way down. And that Elliott wave triangle that I showed you in the last few days seems to gain in likelihood, okay? You can see it even clearer on this chart. This is this Elliott wave triangle where we said, okay, a 3rd wave might have bottomed in December, then an A wave up, a B wave down, a C wave up. The D wave could be unfolding now, and the E wave later, a lower high, and then we could still get another bear market low afterwards. So as a triangle, and it seems to be going that way. For me, that yellow trend line, a sustained break below that, was a signal that we are actually heading down into this region. We're nearly there already. The target range here for this D wave is between 28.7 or 28.8 and 23.5 cents. But there is one level that we can watch for quite closely, which is when we take the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, then a C wave target is around 25.5 cents, the 1-to-1 ratio. So let's see if this is following through to the downside. If it is, then we are likely in the D wave of a triangle. We can pay attention to these relevant levels that I indicated to you. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.